Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Doing a little minimalistic swipe today. I have 3 different color base paints. The first one you saw me lay down was a custom mix, just like a light blue gray that I had probably scraped off my table at one point. This one is a light gray that I made with Artist Loft white and Amsterdam blue gray, just a touch of that. And then the next paint is just going to be a white Artist Loft white. All my paints are mixed floetrol and water only. I don't use any silicone in any of my paints, but I do swipe with Australian floetrol and a mix of Amsterdam white, 3 parts floetrol to 1 part paint. So this is going to be very minimalistic. The colors I'm going to be using are a couple prizm pour paints. I believe I use Misty Veil, I use Mother of Pearl, and just a little bit of Bohemian Sea in this one. And then I swipe with the cell activator. This one came out really light and airy and pretty, but I just wanted to share this with you. And I will be swiping with something a little different today. I've used it in the past. It's alcohol ink paper, so they're pieces of plastic, and I'm just using those to swipe with. So I'll be dipping the little pieces of paper into the colors that I decide to swipe with, and then you'll see as it unfolds. I hope you all are doing well out there and enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching and always supporting my channel. And please subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Here we go.